You alright? You alright? I didn't need a baby lip piercing.
She goes, wow, that's so big.
Aww.
I'm kissing you.
Oh.
Oops. Oh, Grandma just from the dog water bowl.
Grandma? What's Grandma doing?
That's cold. Hello.
What's Grandma doing?
Hello, beautiful. Oh, you bite that nose. Yeah.
Good little girl, Jack. You wave to the camera? No?
Yeah, slap Jebby in the face.
Slap
Johnny Jess in the face.
Do that? No?
Go on, Johnny Jess.
Ow!